Okay, so on this question, we're wanting to put in the dot. So I'm going to click on the dot maker tool right here. I just clicked on the dot maker tool, and then I'm going to click on the various spots. So I'm going to go to 11, 8. So over to 11, up 8, which is right about there. See how that's 11, 8 because it's almost it. Oh yeah, the numbers, the first number. So up here, at the top, 11, 8. That's first quiz, second quiz. See how down at the bottom it says down here, I'll just do this Q1, quiz 1, and then over here, quiz 2 is the y-axis. So quiz 2 is the y-axis, quiz 1 is the x-axis. So when it tells me up here that they want me to do 11, 8, here, let me clear all this for a minute. Yeah, up here, see 11, 8? That means go over 11, up 8. Go over 11 on quiz 1, up 8. So let me try that. So over 11, up 8, boom, right there, right? That's almost to 12, up to 8. Let's try the next one. Over 15, up 13. Let me try it. Over 15, up 13. Oh, right there, I think. Yeah, over 15, up 13. Oh, that's good. Next one, 17, 17. So over 17, up 17 is right there. Oh, it just cleared. Yeah, like you guys are saying. That is totally bizarre. I have no idea why it's doing that. That is weird. Over 11, up 8. So I'm going to have to redo. When it clears them, you have to redo them. Sorry. I don't know why it's doing that. But I think if you just keep battling, it'll eventually take them. But it's a big pain. I apologize.
How do we erase it? Never mind. Mine just got cleared, so I don't need to know now.
2020. Yeah, just do the best you can. I have no answers here, folks. Sorry. Other than just keep redoing and keep battling. I don't have any idea why. 22, 22. It's some tech thing that's beyond me. 23, 22. Right there. 25, 24. There. So far, so good. It's about to clear them all probably. 30, 25. Over 30, up 25. Boop, it did. Look at that. That's stinker.
It does the same thing on our actual homework due for tonight. We have
Yeah, I know. So again, I have no answer, but to keep trying. I'm gonna watch me. I'm gonna try again. Do what I do. Battle. Don't give up. Battle. Over 15, up 13. Over 17, up 7. I'm just gonna do them. And then you can move them. If you misplace them, you can move them. 17, 17. 20, 20. Boom. 22, 22. Boom. 23, 22. Boom. 25, 24. Let's see if it clears them all right now. It took them. Okay, now you got to put in a line though. Careful. We're not done. See down here it says up here, plot the points, then sketch a line. So now you got to click on the line tool. Everybody see what I'm doing? I've got all my dots on there. For whatever reason, it kept them this time. Click on the line tool. Oh, and they all go away. Isn't that terrible? I'm gonna have to do it.
Same thing just happened to me.
Yep, I know. I worked with another student for like a long time. So what am I gonna do? I'm gonna do it again. I don't know why it's so weirdly touchy, but it's just weird. I don't know why the tool is having such a problem. 15, 13, but it's still a valuable exercise. It's important to do these dots ourselves. I don't know why the tool used to work fine. I don't know why it's weird now. 20, 22, 23, 22, 25, 24, and 30, 25. Over 30, up 25, right? Is that right? 30, 25. Okay, now I'm gonna try the line thing again. I'm gonna click on the line tool. Okay, it didn't disappear. Click once and click to do your best to go through the middle. See what I'm doing? I click the line, oh, and it's all gone. Let me see if I submit. No, it doesn't have anything. It's so bad. I'm gonna try it again. All right, I'm sure it's gonna work this time. I mean, I was close last time. I almost had it, except I was showing you guys something. 15, 13, 17, 17, 20, 20, 22, 22, 23, 22, right there, 25, 24, and 30, 25. Right, over 30 at 25. Okay, try to do the line again. Click on the line tool once, twice, and I'm gonna come down and submit. Something's off. Oh, shoot. It did me the yellow, which means it's like partly right. Did I get one of those points wrong? Probably, because I was trying to hurry because it's always a big pain.
I'm gonna keep mine with my yellow, I think.
Yeah, you might want to just settle with like pretty good. And let's see, I'm going to double check my points. 17, 7, that looks good. 20, 20, looks good. 22, 22, perfect. 23, 22, perfect. 25, 24, and 30, 25. Okay, I'm going to move my line. So I'm going to go, I think the problem is my line. I'm going to take my line. I don't think my line did a very good job going through the middle. I'm going to move it up. They'll probably all vanish. Move it up a little bit, like maybe right there. Boom. Maybe that's a little better. Going through the middle, submit. No, it's still not happy. That line looks like it's going through the middle of me.
There's a question underneath it where you have to enter a whole value.
Yeah, no, I know. I'm going to get to that, but it's still telling me this part's not 100% yet. Maybe like that. Maybe move this part. I don't know. That looks pretty good to me. I'm trying one more time. Hey, it's happy. Oh, I got the green check mark. All right. So I just kept fiddling with the line until it was a little better through the middle. Does everybody understand that line it's called the line sketch a line that best fits the data, meaning through the middle. I got it. You're my witnesses. Green check mark. I got it. Now I'm going to answer this bottom question too, but so far I got a green check mark. I put the dots on there several times. I apologize. I don't know why it's so finicky. And then I kept fiddling with the line until it was right a little better through the middle.
So when I tried to fix my line, it gave me a double line, even though I didn't ask for another line, and now I can't get rid of that line.
Yeah, you're gonna have to clear and start over. The trick is if you click on a spot when the line tool is alive, see how the line tool is alive right now? If I click, it'll start making another line. You have to, instead of that, you have to hover over your red dots that are already there in the line you already made. And the little hand will appear, or the little arrow thing will appear, which allows you to move the line. I know it's super touchy. I apologize. Let me just say this, guys. Homework is just not that important. Did I just say that? Did the math teacher just say that? Yes, I exactly said that. And I told you that on the first day with the syllabus. Remember, homework is only, what is it, 20% of your grade overall? So the purpose of homework is to get you ready for the exams. The big points are on the exam. So don't let this problem worry you. Don't spend too many hours on it. Give it a good try. Do the best you can. And if you can't get it, don't worry. But mainly, are you getting the concepts? Because they'll be tested on the exam. And that's where the big points will be. Don't be overly stressed about the homework. Use the homework as a tool to learn the concepts and show me that on the exams. That's where the big points are. Let's come down here and answer this question. So how does this? Well, this is about the concept. Let's see if you understand the concept here. Use the line above to predict the value of the second quiz score if a student had a score of 12 on the first test. So if they got a 12 on the first test, they're about right here. Go on up. Looks like they're going to be about 10. Do you see how I'm coming up with that value? Let me submit it. Yes, it's right. Do you see how I come up with that?
No, I don't. I didn't.
They're basically asking me second quiz or predict the second quiz if they got 12 on the first. So it's just like giving me a 12 over here. They said go over 12, go up to the line, and look at where that dot is. That dot's about up 10. See that? When I go over 12, that's what they said, 12 on the first test, or first quiz. Quiz 1 is the x-axis, over 12, go up to the line, use the line, it said, use the line, go up to the line. When you're over 12, go up to the line and look at how high up you are. You're at a height of 10. That means that's a prediction that if somebody gets 12 on the first quiz, it's predicting they'll get 10 on the second. Looks like the second quiz was a little bit harder for the students. See how most of them got a little lower on the second quiz? So this line is showing a linear relationship, a connection between how people did on the first quiz and how people did on the second quiz. And these dots are various students. And their dot, how far over their dot is how they did on quiz 1. How far up their dot is, their y coordinate, is how well they did on quiz 2. So every dot is a relationship, a connection for one particular student showing how he or she did quiz 1 versus quiz 2. And all the dots together and the linear relationship between them shows how quiz 1 and quiz 2 generally related to each other in the class. And it also allows us to predict behavior. If a student got a 12 on the first quiz, 12, quiz 1, 12, go up to the line, the dot would be about right here, the dot on the line. That's if there was a student who got a 12 on quiz 1, their dot would be on the line right here, and that would mean they'd probably get a 10 on quiz 2. And so there we go. That's what a scatter plot, a dot plot, a scatter plot with a line through the middle is all about. It's a connection, a relationship being established between two variables, between, in this case, quiz 1 scores and quiz 2 scores. And so there we go.